Guy, well, you have to be able to flow over top for that action. Okay, does that make sense? Where are you at, Cruzy? Does that make sense?
Yes,
guys, that's the only play that's been hurting us. It's the only play that's been hurting us. You just got to go do it. I told you that before the game started. Everybody understand?
Yes,
just go do it. It's right in front of you. Everything you wanted is right there. Just go do it. Good?
Yes,
hey, let's go.
Let's go, boys.
13 seconds. Let's roll. Let's get off the field on fourth down. Let's go. Defense on 3. 1, 2, 3.